Hello techies, welcome to another video in PySpark learning series. In this video today we will see the difference between union and union all in terms of PySpark. So let me just give a demo, the results of union and union all, and I'll explain what are the differences between them. So here I'm just creating a PySpark session first, and I'm creating two data frames. One is having data of two records and another also has two records. In this, what I have done is the second record I have just kept as same in both the data frames, just to show the difference between union and union all. Okay, so what happens when we create the data frame, we will have these two records same in both the data frames. So you can see in data frame 1 we have Jane 5000 and HR. The same record is present in data frame 2 as well. Okay, so now in typical traditional SQL, union and union all are different, right? In union, it when we combine the data using union, it removes the duplicate and it just combines only the unique records from both the data sets. Okay, but here in PySpark or in Spark it is a little different. It does not remove any duplicates. I'll just give that demo here and we can see. So what I'm doing is now df1 union df2. So when I do a union of df1 and df2, we expect that it will remove this second record from here and from here. But let's just run this and see. It does not remove those duplicates. Instead, it just combines the two different sets of data frame into one single data frame. Okay, and here one thing to note is both should have the same structure to use this union. Otherwise, we will not be able to combine these two data sets. Okay, so here you can see it did not remove the HR department for Jane salary 5000, right? It is still having both the records here even though we used union. So that is what is current scenario with union in Spark. It does not remove the duplicates as per the documentation as well. It combines the two data frames together, but it does not enforce the uniqueness of the rows. So if we want to mimic the actual work of union that we see in normal SQLs, we have to add another function called as distinct. So after doing a union, we just have to say distinct and distinct on all the columns. Okay, so complete distinct. So this will give us the result which we expect from union. So I'll just run this and you will see that HR department, since it was duplicate, when we combine the two data frames, it will be removed from here and we'll get only the unique ones. Okay, so here we got from HR only one record, the other one, since it was duplicate, it got removed. So this way we can mimic the use of union using distinct, but it's exactly same as union all. So you may ask, like, what is then the difference between union and union all in Spark? So the answer is there is no difference between union and union all. It is exactly the same. So like for example, if I run union all, so anyways, union all does not remove any duplicates even from SQL, traditional SQL systems, right? So still we will get the complete set of records. It will not identify and remove any duplicate. That is the property of union all. So union all is, we can say, it is expected result, but in Spark union behaves differently. So there is actually no difference between union and union all when it comes to Spark. To depict or to mimic the functionality of union as per any traditional SQL, we have to add a distinct function here. So I hope it was useful. Sometimes in interview we get this question, so we should remember the difference between union and union all in terms of Spark. So I hope it was useful. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.